Alright guys, as promised, here we are. Here comes the test ride. Excited about it. I'm already sitting a little higher on the bike, which I'm happy about. Was hoping that would put me just an inch over the top of the screen, which sometimes could be right in my eye line, so very happy about that. And the main thing is to see how comfortable this, another rider there, comfortable the ride is, how it's sitting and how it feels. It's a gorgeous day. It's Saturday. It is May 7th. Lovely to be out and riding again. It's been a while since I put a riding video up. Do forgive me. Hope you're still watching the channel. It'd be great to have you give us a thumbs up and a like. I'm going to go for a little ride, but let's have a little bit of music as we do it. Well, I can certainly say I am already feeling a massive difference. The ride is smoother, more comfortable. There's some bumps on this road. It's not the twistiest of roads. I could have picked a better one. Or maybe we'll try another one tomorrow. But yeah, it's just nice. It's comfortable, it's tight, secure, and I'm really liking the raised seat height a little bit here, which is giving me a little bit of ground clearance, I'm sure. Haven't got to the point of testing that and probably won't do that for a while yet, but it's just nice to have done something different for a change. I tell you what though, it's such a fabulous day. Oh, Firebird City. Those guys have hunting gear and ammunition and all that kind of stuff. Well, last week I went for a ride to work. It was 34, 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and I had this new Tourmaster jacket that I've been looking forward to trying for a while, and it's been raining and severely cold recently, so it's nice to get out and try that. It's got 3 zip out layers. I took one out and I rode it with 2, and it was pretty comfortable even at 35 degrees. I think it went a little bit lower than that when I went down into the valley, but it was definitely a nice jacket. It's good for the cooler mornings. I left the house at around 5 o'clock. I'd like to do a review on that, or more of a show and tell. I guess it's not exactly a review because I haven't really used it much, and I'm not even sure how much more I'll get to use it because thankfully the warmer days are coming. But the whole purpose of this ride really is just to get out and first of all ride. Oh, weird noise. Hang on a sec. Don't know what that is. There's another rider up ahead here. Looks like he's 2 up. Probably a big Harley as well. Not a lot of traffic out. Let's try that again. Not a lot of traffic out today. There's quite a bit, but usually more than this, and you've got to put that on the fuel prices. Around about 420 something right now, which by US standards is pretty grim, to be perfectly honest. But what are you going to do? Build back better? I don't think so. So anyway, enough of that nonsense. Let's keep going. Happy times. One thing I didn't do was bring a charging pack for my GoPro, so my GoPro is most likely going to quit on me very soon, so this video will probably fade out with more music. But just like to say again how much I'm enjoying the ride here today, putting those new shocks on was a really good idea. Much better ride, nice comfortable turn there. I don't know what's going on with that. I need to sort that out. I was really good at doing those quick, but I was kind of a bit tentative on the clutch today. But anyway, better think about heading back home because I didn't bring my wallet again. That's the second time, and my GoPro's going to go. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. See you soon.